हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू गुरवैया एकेडमी। दोस्तों, आज के इस सेशन में हम आपके सेकेंड यूनिट में से फोर्थ चैप्टर द फॉल ऑफ ट्रॉय उसका पार्ट सेकेंड का वर्कशॉप देखने वाले हैं। तो फिर चलिए वर्कशॉप देखते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फाइंड एंड राइट ग्रीक ट्रोजन्स नेम used in the story of by using part 1 and fast part 2. Trojan names Paris, a prince of Troy, king Hector. Greek names Helen, Menelaus, Achilles, Odius, and Agamemnon. List the words related to war from the both parts of the story. Strong wall, enemy attack, a strong fortress, brave soldier, kings, heroes, revenge, sage, fought, force, battles, armies, arrow, wounded, victory, burn, kill, weapons, enemies, and armor are some of the words related to the war that is used in the story. Third question, note the following constructions carefully and then use them to express your ideas. First, a horse big enough to hold men inside it. I have a horse big enough to entertain 50 people. Next, the Greeks were tired of long war. We were tired of long journey. Next, they were afraid of the long voyage home too. We are afraid of consequences of mistakes. Next, they made it too big to go inside your city. We are too tired to continue the game. Afterwards, next one. They were so excited that they paid no attention to his words. We are so happy that we danced with joy. Next question 4. Put the following events in order in which they took place. Number them accordingly. The Trojans found the Greek man under the big wooden horse. 6 1. Next, the broke down part of the wall and the brought the horse. 8. Next, the cunning Odious thought of a plan. First, the Greek burned their tents and sailed away. 4. Troy was burned down. 12. The Greek built a big wooden horse. Second, great heroes hid inside the horse. Third, the priest warned the Trojans not to break the wall. 7. Trojans were happy to see Greek ships. 5. The Trojans slept soundly. 9. The Greek came out of the horse and opened the gates. 10. The Greek army entered the city. 11. Next question 5th. Form pairs. Imagine you are a pair of Trojan and have come to know about Odious' plan. Make a counter plan to defeat the Greeks. Write down your plan as you would explain it to your fellow Trojans. Answer. Listen to Trojan. I have come to know from one of your spy about Odious' plan that the big wooden horse that will come close to us won't be an offering to the god of the sea, but it is a conspiracy. There will be many soldiers hidden inside the wooden horse who will attack us on reaching here. So I have a plan. We will pretend to show them that we are assuming wooden horse as our destiny and as offering to the god of the sea. But as soon as that horse will come close to us, we will destroy it with cannons and save our Troy. Next, identify one example of main clause and one example of dependent clause from page 46. Read the entry regarding clause in the language study pages. Many of the Trojans were killed before they could put on their armor. Main clause, many of the Trojans were killed. Dependent clause, before they could put on their armor. Next, it was only Aphrodite who had turned her heart away from her home. Main clause, it was only Aphrodite. Dependent clause, who had turned her heart away from the home. 7. Be a writer. Now, read the beginning and end of the sci-fi story given below and complete the story using your imagination. The magic glasses is the name. So on the screen you can see the story. Can you see it properly? I hope आपको यह story अच्छी तरह से दिख रही होगी. Let's see that story firstly. Read it properly. Afterwards, I will change the paragraph. You can see it now betterly. तो इसे बहुत अच्छी तरह से read कीजिएगा. Next one. Here you can see the next paragraph. After that, we will see about the brief. Okay. Next, this is another paragraph of the story. And lastly, this is the last paragraph of the story. You can pause it or you can zoom it properly and read it very well. Next, we read the following and observe the use of Senses. First, last week I witnessed a strange accident. Let me tell you about it. Here is a given incident. You can see on the screen. I hope आपको ये बहुत अच्छे तरह से दिख रहा होगा. You can read it very well properly and see the remaining sentences too. You can see it now. And in this way, we have completed the workshop. ये वर्कशॉप कंप्लीट किया है. अगर आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम हो, डाउट हो तो कमेंट. इसी तरह से सभी क्लास के सभी चैप्टर, इसी तरह से इस चैप्टर से रिलेटेड जो अदर वीडियोस है वो देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, बाजू में दिख रहे बेल आइकन पर क्लिक कीजिए, वहाँ पे ऑल कीजिए ताकि आपको वीडियो के बारे में सभी नोटिफिकेशन मिल. इस तरह से सभी क्लास के सभी सब्जेक्ट के वीडियोस एक ही जगह पे देखने के लिए प्ले स्टोर पे जाइए, गुरवरिया एकेडमी सर्च कीजिए और हमारा यह एप्लीकेशन इंस्टॉल कीजिए. यह एप्लीकेशन सबके लिए बिल्कुल फ्री है. एप्लीकेशन इंस्टॉल करते समय प्रॉब्लम हो या नहीं हो तो हमारा जो ऑफिशियल नंबर है उस पर आप मैसेज कर सकते हैं ताकि हमारी टीम आपको एप्लीकेशन इंस्टॉल करने में मदद कर सके. एप्लीकेशन की लिंक आपको इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिलेगी, वहाँ पे भी आप ज्वाइन. हमारे कुछ सोशल मीडिया अकाउंट्स हैं, उनके भी लिंक्स आपको इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिलेगी, वहाँ पे भी आप ज्वाइन. इस एप्लीकेशन में हमने चाहा है जिसके अंतर्गत आप आपके सभी डाउट्स आपके क्लासमेट्स हैं उनके साथ मिलकर ग्रुप डिस्कशन करके सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. वहाँ पे हमारे टीचर्स भी हैं, उनके साथ भी डिस्कस करके आप आपके डाउट्स क्लियर कर सकते हैं. तो आज के सेशन में हम यहीं पे रुकेंगे. जल्दी मिलेंगे अगले सेशन में नए वीडियो के साथ. तब तक के लिए बाय दोस्तों, टेक केयर.